Hello everyone. For this experiment number 8, you can see the objective is to determine the phase plane trajectory for a system in presence of common nonlinearities, that too with the help of MATLAB Simulink toolbox. Now, if we scroll through, we can see we have 4 assignments. Assignment 1, Assignment 2, Assignment 3, as well as Assignment 4. We have to construct these 4 models in the Simulink platform. You can see although 1, 2, this is the 3, 2 and 1 shows simple model, but assignment 4 actually consists of all the blocks you actually require to study the characteristics as suggested in the experiment. In order to create the Simulink model as shown in assignment 4, let's start. This is the MATLAB. This is the link for going to Simulink, and already I have opened the Simulink library browser and I have already created the model as per the assignment 4. Now I am going to show you how to search all the blocks from the Simulink library. Let's start. So clicking File, New and the blank model. Once you have this blank model, if you cannot see the library browser, you can simply click on this icon and you will find your library browser beside the model file. Now, for the sake of creating, first we will prefer to insert the source, which is a step. Simply drag and drop. Now, please provide step time 0 unless and until it is mentioned. Or you can do this, or you can make this step time 0 after clicking this block and making the step time 0 here. Next we move on to the sync library. From this we will require workspace block. It is asking the variable name. You can see in this assignment 8 we have 2 workspace block. One is E, one is E dot. So name it E, or later while you are simulating, that time you can change the name as E. We require the XY graph, we require scope, and we require the terminator block. Next, moving to the continuous library. From this library we are going to pick the transport delay. It is mentioned in the assignment 2 that there is a delay e to the power minus 0.4s. So time delay I am providing 0.4, or as I have mentioned, double click the block, place the time delay, and in the assignment 2 also it is asking use the first order patterns approximation. So place 1, apply, OK. Next we require the transfer function block, where we have to put the transfer function of the system. As per the assignment, the transfer function is numerator 400, then a square 40s and 400. Apply, OK. Now if I just drag it a bit, so you can see I can see the transfer function. Now moving to the discontinuities library, we are going to pick the nonlinear block such as dead zone, such as saturation. one more block we require. So moving to the math operation, pick the summer block, place it here. Now when it is asking list of signs, please don't place plus minus here because we need negative feedback. If you put plus and minus here, this block will flip in a different direction, creating more problem for you to connect the blocks as per the assignment. So don't do it here, rather double click. Here is a list of signs, so I require a negative feedback, plus and minus, apply, OK. So all these blocks I have drawn here is required to create the necessary model for the experiment number 8. Thank you.